हेलो गाइज, अहिले चाहिँ हामी मिड टाउन म्यानहट्टनमा छौँ होइन। अब हामी टक्कसँगले ट्रेन स्टेसन जाँदैछौँ घर जानको लागि। लेट्स गो है त। यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ आजको मौसम कस्तो दामी छ, यु क्यान सी होइन। अहिले चाहिँ हामी टक्कसँगले म्यानहट्टन मिड टाउनमा छौँ, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेन्टरको साइडमा। यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हजुरले भ्युज, यो म्यानहट्टनको मिड टाउन हो होइन। As you can see, कस्तो दामी भ्यू छ क्या म्यानहट्टन मिड टाउन। लेट्स गो है त अब। As you can see guys, अहिले चाहिँ हामी चेम्बर स्ट्रिट वेस्टको ब्रोडवेमा आइसकेको छौँ होइन। यहाँनिर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ ट्रेन स्टेसन। हामी अगाडि जाँदैछौँ, त्यहाँ पर स्टारबक्स रहेछ। As you can see guys, let's go that side. You can see guys, one of the most oldest building in New York City. One of the most oldest building. It was built in 1910, I think. Yes, 1910 and 1912. Oldest building, one of them in the New York City. So now let's go to our destination. It's on this way. Let's go guys. The time like almost 2 o'clock. Let's go it. Hello guys, I just found one homeless over here. Let's give her a money. Like I just have a $1 and I buy food for me, so left $1. Let's give it to her. Hey, thank you. Okay
गाइज, अब चाहिँ हामी यो होमलेसलाई मसँग भएको अलिकति भएको पैसा दिन गइरहेको छौँ होइन। लेट्स गिभ हिम है त। उहाँ पर बसिरहेको छ, देख्नुभयो। म जाँदैछु है त उसलाई दिन, हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। है है म्यान, है द नेक्स्ट मनी टु यु। ओके, यु क्यान सी इट गाइज। अहिले चाहिँ हामी टक्कसँगले यहाँनिर यो सिनेम्याटिक भिडियो खिच्दैछौँ होइन। यो त्यही हो, अघि हामी वेस्ट साइड होइन, मिड टाउन म्यानहट्टन न्युयोर्क सिटी। हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ कति राम्रो, कस्तो पिसफुल ठाउँ छ यो। One of the most beautiful places I ever seen. Let's go this side. One of the best places I ever seen. The best. Moore Street, Midtown Manhattan. As you can see, we are going to train station. Train station is over here, this side. Hey guys, now we arrive at the train station, Midtown Manhattan. You can see the outside is so nice, so beautiful. Now let's go to a train station inside. You can see it's so dirty inside train station. The problem of New York, you can see it. You can see the dust over here. Let's go. Let's go from this side. You can see everywhere. It is what it is. Body would be fucked up. Now we already inside the train station. Now we're going inside the train, Jamaica Center. The Jamaica Center. Let's go inside. This is the train. We're going to sit there. Going to sit here. So let's sit here guys. This is inside a train. You can see how peaceful, how nice. If there is no homeless inside the train, you can see how beautiful it looks. Wow, you can see guys how peaceful it is when there is no homeless inside the train station. You can see it, you know. Wow, it's so nice, it's so clean. New York subway is not only dirty, like you know, they are so clean too, but the homeless, they come and they do everything bad, like they smoke, they do pee, and the train will be fucked up, like I mean messed up. This is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street guys. You can see the train is now almost a full pack. You can see people, there are so many people over here. This is a E train going to Jamaica. This is Jackson Heights, guys. Jackson. This is a R train, guys. You can see it. This is the art train. We are going out from an art train, guys. As you can see, now the door is opening. I have to go out. This is my stop. Now I need to show you outside of the Almas. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, guys, the train is going. Now we need to go up. Let's go up. As you can see, guys, Jamaica Hills. Trees. Let's go outside. And this is the station. As you can see, it is one of the biggest station, and that's the problem of the New York. This is the New York City. Let's go outside. It's from here. You can see everything. Now see it. As I said, you guys, we already came outside. This is the Almos, Jackson Heights. You can see the park, and over here the subway station. So we're going. This is an illegal business of New York City. As you can see, it's illegal. They doing business in the street. That means illegal. As you can see, let's go forward. It's a free. As you can see from here too, guys, they're doing illegal business. As you can see, guys, we are here. The parking. This is also New York. Now, guys, this is a public sideway, so we're making a video. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, please.